Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 3rd of October, 2024, our system has identified VOO as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.08. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.97%. This equates to an average return of 0.25% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned in the upper segment of a weak rising trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower segment of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $540.27 would initially signal a stronger rate of increase. Analyzing the current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 8.42% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 2.88% and 9%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 29.77% over the next year, with potential returns between 21.26% and 34.15%. This translates to a price range of $651.59 to $720.84 after a year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF price up 0.407% on Friday. The VOO ETF price gained 0.407% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 18th of October, 2024. It rose from $535.18 to $537.36. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 0.474%, with a daily low of $535.56 and a daily high of $538.10. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.03% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 1 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with 4 million shares exchanged for approximately $2.18 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $538.76, while the lowest price was $375.95. Currently, the price is 0.26%, or $1.40, below the 52-week high of $538.76, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Recent reports indicate a strong positive sentiment surrounding the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, known as VOO, with multiple analysts recommending it as a current buy. The ETF has gained traction in a market experiencing record rallies, with the S&P 500 recently achieving its highest closing levels, reflecting a year-to-date increase of over 22%. Such performance often drives investor confidence, potentially enhancing demand for VOO. Last week alone, ETFs collectively attracted $19.5 billion in new capital, indicating a robust appetite for diversified investment products. This inflow suggests that investors are increasingly moving away from individual stock picking and opting for the stability offered by ETFs, particularly those like VOO that provide exposure to established companies across various sectors. Additionally, the historical performance of the S&P 500 supports the argument for long-term investment in VOO, with empirical data showing an impressive probability of positive returns over extended periods. Given this context, it positions VOO as not only a strong candidate for immediate investment, but also a strategic component for building wealth over time. In the short term, the positive news and inflows could lead to upward price momentum for VOO. Meanwhile, in the long term, the ETF's established track record and the ongoing appeal of index investing could significantly bolster its value, making it an essential asset for diversified portfolios. Investors may view this as an opportunity to capitalize on current market conditions while aiming for sustainable long-term growth. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF exhibits buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $534.29 and $521.46. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, September 6, 2024, and thus far the stock has experienced an increase of 8.2%. Continued upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Volume is also increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have emerged that could impact short-term developments. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence. This indicates a sell signal. Pivots. A buy signal was identified 31 days ago. Bollinger. A buy signal was recorded just 1 day ago. Short-term moving average. A buy signal was noted 12 days ago. Long-term moving average. A buy signal was detected 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 44 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average. A buy signal emerged 29 days ago. Long-term moving average. A buy signal was recognized 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflects a buy signal from 226 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $522.74, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low for this stock. During the last day, the ETF fluctuated $2.54 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.474%. Over the last week, the ETF experienced an average daily volatility of 0.727%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and utilize volume to determine the optimal exit point. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $522.74. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $515.22, reflecting a decrease of 4.12%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which translates to a minimal level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom that occurred 30 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for VOO ETF to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of October, we anticipate VOO to open down 35 cents and begin trading at $537.01. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.